So much of trading is setting the tone before you get in there, because most people are coming in and they're trying to adapt to the action of the day versus letting their plan play out and then just tweaking their execution on position sizing based upon the action of the day. Most people are totally getting focused on, well, today is this, and they're trying to do that. And then that's why most people burn out and they don't last very long. You see like this window of opportunity where I see a lot of traders, they'll come in and then they'll get hot and then they'll make a lot of money. And then all of a sudden they're just like, they're so cold. And it's just because their mentality was, I got to this point, I did this, I'm going to keep doing this. And they expected something to work and to continue to work. It just doesn't work that way in this business. I wish it did. I wish the same thing I did when I, had my first big year is what I'm doing now. It's not. You have to adapt on a bigger cycle basis, right? So you have to look at what's the market environment. That's why I say it's so important. That's why I put out a free note every day for everybody to understand psychologically how you come into the day. Because people always ask me, they're like, well, how does this note help me? You're not telling me where to buy and sell. I'm not here to tell you where to buy and sell.
Right.
I'm here to help you develop an edge. And your edge is understanding the market environment. And we're all subject to the market environment. And if the market environment is conducive to our strategy, we all do well. Right. You can look at a technician, Tom, in a bull market, selling a subscription about buying, dips or they're only trading stocks. Of course, they look like a genius because everything goes up. Maybe not in this market. There's a lot of stuff that's not going up, but that's a different day. But when everything goes up, everybody looks smart. And then all of a sudden when it changes, well, your same technical, work, everything you've done stops working. And then those people get weeded out. And that's the cycle of this business. And so when you think about this as a whole, that's why you set the tone prior to coming in. And when you get in there, that's when you come in and you use tools like we have here with Ninja. We have, when we talk about, just a 3-minute opening range VWAP. I know because today is setting up potentially as a bullish day. I'm not in a big hurry to be short. I can be short, but I've got to sell the rallies. You could see it in my markers today. Not one short below the VWAP. Not one short at the VWAP. Everything was above it. Because if I could manage risk more effectively that way, right? And we go to the volume chart. I look for areas where the market was getting really pushed higher with high volume deltas to the buy side, and then we rotated off it. Okay, I have some confirmation. I have some edge. That helps.